What's up everybody, my name is DeltaWolf506, and today I'm going to give you 10 of my favorite user interface mods for Fallout 4. If you're looking for a complete HUD and menu overhaul, this isn't the video you're looking for. Unlike most people, I actually like most of the default HUD and menu elements, it's just some of the other UI that I like improved. All of the mods featured in this video will have timestamps and chapters, so if any of them catch your eye, you can skip ahead to any of them. The download links will be provided in the description as well. This is primarily for PC, so not all of these mods are going to be available to you on console, but I will put an indicator in the top right corner so that way you know if you can download it on your platform of choice. That being said, I want to preface this by saying I never downgraded my game to the next-gen update, so mods that require the script extender or use the mod configuration menu might not work for you right now if you are on that next-gen update. Do you ever want to preview the modifications you're going to put on your weapons and armor? Maybe preview what the paint scheme looks like before you put it on? Or you want to get a good look at the stuff being sold by a vendor, but there's a VATS-like green highlight blocking your view of it? Well, thanks to Crafting Highlight Fix by Registrator 2000, we can now properly preview modifications and craftables and workbenches, as well as stuff being sold in vendor inventories. It includes an MCM settings menu that allows you to tailor it to how you want, with various settings from outline only to no outline and even turning the highlight back on. You don't need me to tell you how bad the dialogue interface is in Fallout 4, so we're gonna fix it with Extended Dialogue Interface by Registrator 2000. This mod lets you see exactly what your dialogue options are in full, so no more being surprised by what you're about to say. It does include an MCM settings menu to customize it to your liking. There are many other mods like this one, but this is the one used by many work-in-progress fan-made remasters and full-scale mods such as Fallout 4 New Vegas and Fallout 4 Capital Wasteland. Let's talk about the Fallout 4 favorites menu. It's not bad, but it's not good. When you use it, your character is forced to stand still while you quickly scramble to your correct favorited weapon in the middle of combat, which is my main issue with it, and why I always end up just using my number keys to swap between them instead. But no more, thanks to Favorites Menu EX by Nyanka, which replaces the vanilla favorites menu with a Fallout New Vegas companion wheel styled favorites menu, which allows you to stay on the move in the heat of combat while you quickly swap weapons or use favorited items, such as consumables. It has an MCM settings menu, so you can change a few settings for it, such as changing whether the wheel is a toggle or hold action, enabling a jet-like slow motion effect when you use the wheel, as well as changing the style from either the default New Vegas companion wheel to a Fallout 4 styled one. Are you ever trying to plot a route using Fallout 4's map, but you can't really tell where any of the roads or other topographic features are? Well, with Improved Map with Visible Roads by MM137, you'll now have a significantly easier to read map with much better contrast with clearly visible roads, water, and topography. There are multiple different versions available for you to download, such as having numbered grid lines, numbered regions, and darker map versions. If you have the Far Harbor and Nuka World DLCs, make sure to download the corresponding additional files for those DLCs to have the improved maps as well. Staying on the topic of the maps, I've never liked how you can't really zoom out very far on the Fallout 4 world maps, and if you don't either, well, you'll like Zoom Out Extended for World Map by Old Nick. This mod simply allows you to zoom out all the way to see the entire world map at once, and it does work for Far Harbor and Nuka World's maps as well. One thing to note is when you zoom back in, it does not zoom in on your cursor, and I couldn't find another mod or any way to configure it to do that. If you happen to know one, please let us know in the comments. Discovery and exploration, my favorite thing to do in an open world game. And if you enjoy it too, maybe you've come across an unmarked location and wondered why there's no map marker for it. Well, with Cartographers Map Markers by Feowin, this mod adds a discoverable map marker to a ton of locations in Fallout 4. If you want to know exactly how many it adds, I got you. For the Commonwealth, it adds 329, for Far Harbor it adds 78, and for Nuka World it adds 40. So quite a few new map markers to discover. You may not have known this, but Fallout 4's crosshairs have a minimum size or spread. This means that if your weapon is much more accurate, the game won't actually display this. But with No Minimum Crosshair Size by Brumley53, this mod just removes that minimum crosshair size and allows your crosshairs to actually show how accurate your weapon's hipfire really is. Some weapons will have the crosshairs overlapping with itself if it is extremely accurate. But in my experience, it doesn't really happen with vanilla weapons, it only happens with mod weapons such as the anti-material rifle and the riot shotgun. Do you find it annoying how keys take up so much space in your miscellaneous tab when you're scrolling through there? Remember how Fallout 3 and New Vegas had a keyRing for all your keys? Well, we can bring that back with keyNuker and keyRing Hidden Keys by Lyra Vega. With this mod, we can now clean up our miscellaneous tab quite a bit by putting all of the keys, passwords, and cards we find into the keyRing. Are you simping for do you ever wonder exactly how much affinity you have with a companion? Well, look no further than Visible Companion Affinity by C. Dante. This mod adds a notification pop-up that tells you exactly how much your companion liked, disliked, loved, or hated something. It includes a settings holotape that allows you to change a few different settings, most notably changing how many decimal places you want for the affinity percentages. Now, if you're wondering about an MCM settings menu for this mod, the mod itself does not include one, but M8R98A4F2 made a mod that just simply adds one for it. It is not required for the main mod to work, and as I said in the intro, mods that require the script extender or use the mod configuration menu might not work for you if you are on the next-gen update. But if you have MCM working, I definitely recommend it. Do you ever want to wait or sleep longer than 24 hours at a time, or maybe you want to wait or sleep faster? Well, thanks to Better Wait menu by Registrator 2000, this mod keeps the vanilla wait menu while increasing the maximum wait time allowed to 99 in-game hours, featuring no more slow hourly ticks of time while waiting, but if you do want to keep that, there is an optional download file for it. Another quality of life addition this mod adds to the sleep wait menu is by pressing your movement keys, right and left, respectively, increases and decreases the wait time in 12-hour increments, so that can help make the process a bit faster. And there you are, 10 of my favorite user interface mods for Fallout 4. Let me know what other UI mods you use that I didn't feature in this video, and if you want me to make another one of these videos featuring a different mod category. As I said earlier, all of the mods featured in the video will have their download links in the description. If you want my full mod list, I also have a Google document linked in the description as well, which I have everything sorted by mod category. I also have an invite link to my community Discord server in case you want to join that as well. I hope you found some new mods to add to your load order and that you enjoyed this video as well. If you did, I would appreciate you dropping a like on, and if you happen to be new to my channel, I would also appreciate you subscribing. With that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, morning, afternoon, evening, nighttime, or whatever time it is for you in whatever time zone you are in, and I will catch you all later. Delta Wolf, out.